Welcome back, travelers. These next 20 life hacks should add excitement and ease to your travel while saving you time and resources. 21. Currency exchange. Avoid exchanging currency at airports as they often have the worst rates. Use local ATMs or credit cards instead. 22. Utilize Google Trips. Google Trips is a travel app that automatically collates information about your destination and creates a personal itinerary. 23. Get TSA PreCheck or Global Entry. Frequent travelers should consider investing in these programs to fast-track security and immigration processes, saving lots of time at the airport. 24. Travel apps. Use Airbnb experiences or GetYourGuide to find off-the-beaten-path activities and local experiences. 25. Eat where locals do. Avoid tourist traps and find restaurants where locals eat. They usually have the most authentic food at the best prices. 26. Learn useful phrases. Learn some basic phrases in the native language of your destination for better experiences with locals. 27. Have copies of important documents. Things get misplaced or stolen. Ensure you have copies of your passport, ID, and essential documents. 28. Stay hydrated and healthy. Carry a reusable water bottle to refill and save on buying disposable bottles. This is both cost-effective and eco-friendly. 29. Use a VPN. Use a virtual private network VPN to protect your data from being stolen when connected to public Wi-Fi. 30. Free city attractions. Many cities offer free attractions such as free days at museums, garden tours, and concerts. Research your destination for such opportunities. 31. Hostel cooking. Consider cooking at your hostel's kitchen to save on dining out. 32. Walk or bike. Explore your destination on foot or rent a bike for a unique sightseeing experience and to save on transportation costs. 33. City tourist cards. Many cities sell tourist cards that offer free public transport and discounts at popular attractions. 34. Overnight trains or buses. Take overnight trains or buses to save on a night of accommodation and maximize your daytime sightseeing hours. 35. Be aware of common scams. Educate yourself about common tourist scams in your destination to avoid falling for them. 36. Use travel forums. Sites like TripAdvisor or Lonely Planet forums are full of valuable advice from fellow travelers and locals. 37. Rechargeable power bank. Carry one to keep your devices powered up throughout the day. 38. Skip the souvenirs. Save money and luggage space by taking plenty of photos and buying fewer physical souvenirs. 39. Flexible itinerary. Leave some wiggle room in your itinerary to explore spontaneous adventures. 40. Pack a scarf or sarong. This multi-purpose item includes a blanket, pillow, privacy curtain, super light towel, and beach mat. Let me know your favorite travel hacks in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Happy travels!